In the heart of France, morning begins with a quiet glow. Light drifts across stone bridges and the calm waters of the Seine, revealing a city shaped by elegance and timeless beauty. This is a journey through landscapes painted with light, a story of romance written in stone and sky. Rising above the waking city, the Eiffel Tower greets the day. Its intricate iron lattice, a masterpiece of engineering, catches the first warm rays of sunlight. Shadows stretch long and graceful across the Champ de Mars below. Its iconic silhouette stands in perfect harmony with the soft colors of the dawn sky, a symbol of grace and aspiration illuminated by the gentle morning. Where modern glass meets ancient stone, the Louvre reflects the changing light. Its grand courtyards, once home to kings, now hold centuries of artistry. The glass pyramid shimmers, casting kaleidoscopic patterns across the surrounding pools as the sun climbs higher. The entire palace is bathed in a golden glow that shifts and dances with every passing hour, a silent testament to human creativity. Far to the northwest, where land meets the sea, Mont Saint Michel rises from the mist like a vision from a dream. Surrounded by vast tidal sands, the island abbey appears to float between water and sky. Morning mist drifts around its ancient walls, and the relentless tides carve intricate patterns across the endless sands, a scene of raw, ethereal beauty sculpted by nature itself. Along the Côte d'Azur, the Mediterranean shines with a vibrant, almost impossible color. The turquoise water moves gently against sun-drenched cliffs and rocky coves. The coastline glows with a warmth that feels eternal, a place where the sun seems to linger just a little longer, kissing the sea and shore with its brilliant light. It's a vision of pure, sunlit paradise. Deep in the heart of Provence, endless lavender fields stretch toward the horizon. Under a bright summer sky, the land becomes a breathtaking tapestry of purple and gold. The fragrant rose sways softly in the warm breeze, a sea of color and scent that mesmerizes the senses. It's a landscape that feels alive, pulsing with the gentle rhythm of the midday sun. Flowing through the country's heartland, the Loire River cradles a valley of castles. Grand chateaux, with their soaring turrets and elegant facades, rise above the quiet waters. Their stone walls, rich with history, are perfectly reflected in the river below. They stand surrounded by lush forests, all touched by a soft, gentle light that feels plucked from a fairy tale. In the east, the French Alps stand in majestic, powerful silence. Their snow-covered peaks pierce the clear blue sky, while green valleys unfold below in shades of silver and emerald. Crystal-clear lakes mirror the colossal mountains above, creating scenes of profound tranquility and awe-inspiring grandeur. This is nature at its most dramatic and serene. As the day softens into evening, the rolling hills of Bordeaux are bathed in a romantic glow. Countless vineyards follow the gentle curves of the land, their rows of vines glowing like threads of gold beneath the setting sun. The warm, hazy light paints the entire countryside in rich, romantic tones of amber and rose, a landscape ripe with promise. Where France meets the vast Atlantic, the coastline stretches into a boundless open space. Powerful waves roll onto wide, sandy beaches, their white foam contrasting with the deep blue of the ocean. They leave behind delicate, fleeting patterns on the sand, a beautiful, temporary art that fades with each returning tide, a constant dance between water and land. As evening returns to Paris, the city glows with a soft, amber light. The famous golden hour washes over the zinc rooftops, and warm reflections dance upon the surface of the Seine. Shadows lengthen across the river, and the iconic skyline softens into a silhouette of quiet, undeniable romance, as if the city itself is sighing contentedly at the end of the day. When night finally settles across France, light lingers. It shimmers in the city's reflections, glows softly in distant windows, and twinkles in the sky itself. From the bustling metropolis to the tranquil countryside, this is a land of enduring elegance and deep emotion, now resting peacefully beneath a vast, silent canopy of stars. This is France, a world of light, beauty, and quiet romance. If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe to Lumiora Worldwide for more cinematic travels across our beautiful planet. Thank you for watching.